Have you ever wished for a job that fits your schedule, not the other way around? Online transcription might be your answer. It's a field with growing demand, offering flexibility and the chance to earn money from anywhere. Whether you're a night owl, an early bird, or somewhere in between, transcription work can adapt to you. Transcription is all about turning audio or video content into written text. This could be anything from lectures and interviews to podcasts and YouTube videos. It's detail-oriented work that requires good listening skills and a knack for accuracy. The best part, you don't need a fancy degree to get started. Many platforms welcome beginners and offer resources to help you succeed. If you're looking for a side hustle or a full-time career change, transcription could be the perfect fit. So, are you ready to dive into the world of transcription? Let's explore two popular platforms, transcriptionstaff.com and amberscript.com. We'll break down how they work, how much you can earn, and how to get started. Transcriptionstaff.com is a well-established platform connecting businesses and individuals with skilled transcriptionists. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, Transcriptionstaff.com offers a user-friendly platform to find work that suits your skills and interests. One of the key features of Transcriptionstaff.com is its diverse range of projects. You'll find everything from academic lectures and business meetings to legal proceedings and medical dictations. This variety allows you to specialize in areas that interest you or diversify your portfolio and gain experience in different fields. Transcriptionstaff.com is committed to providing a fair and transparent experience for its transcriptionists. They offer competitive rates, typically paid per audio minute, and ensure timely payments through secure methods. Their support team is also readily available to address any questions or concerns you may have. Joining Transcriptionstaff.com is a straightforward process designed to be accessible to everyone. First, you'll need to create a free account, providing your basic information and highlighting your skills and experience. Next, you'll be prompted to take a short transcription test to assess your accuracy and typing speed. This test helps Transcriptionstaff.com match you with projects that suit your skill level. Don't worry if you're not a speed demon. Accuracy is key in transcription. Once you've passed the test, you'll gain access to the project board, where you can browse available jobs and choose the ones that pique your interest. You can filter projects by industry, turnaround time, and pay rate to find the perfect fit for you. Transcriptionstaff.com understands the importance of timely and reliable payments for freelancers. They offer two convenient payment methods, PayPal and bank transfer. You can choose the option that best suits your needs and preferences. Payments are typically processed on a weekly or bi-weekly basis, depending on the project volume. You can track your earnings and payment history through your Transcriptionstaff.com account dashboard, providing transparency and control over your income. Transcriptionstaff.com believes in fair compensation for quality work. While rates may vary depending on the complexity and turnaround time of each project, they strive to offer competitive rates that reflect the value of your skills and effort. Section 5. Amberscript.com-automated transcription at your fingertips. Now let's shift gears and explore Amberscript.com, a platform that takes a slightly different approach to transcription. Amberscript.com leverages the power of artificial intelligence to automate the transcription process, making it faster and more efficient. Amberscript.com, AI-powered engine can transcribe audio and video files with impressive accuracy and speed. This technology saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on editing and refining the transcript rather than starting from scratch. But don't worry, human touch is still crucial. Amberscript.com recognizes that AI is not perfect, and that's where you come in. As a freelancer on Amberscript.com, your role is to review and edit the AI-generated transcripts, ensuring accuracy, clarity, and readability. Section 6. Exploring Amberscript.com, services. Amberscript.com offers a range of services beyond just transcription, catering to diverse needs. One of their standout features is their multilingual support. They can transcribe audio and video content in over 39 languages, opening up a world of opportunities for multilingual freelancers. In addition to transcription, Amberscript.com also offers subtitling services. You can use their platform to create subtitles for videos, making content accessible to a wider audience, including those who are deaf or hard of hearing. Another notable service is their audio and video editing capabilities. You can use amberscript.com, intuitive tools to trim, cut, and enhance your audio and video files, streamlining your workflow and delivering polished final products. Section 7. Joining the amberscript.com team. Becoming a freelancer on amberscript.com is a simple and efficient process. Start by creating a free account and providing your basic information, language proficiency, and areas of expertise. Unlike transcriptionstaff.com, amberscript.com typically doesn't require a formal transcription test. Instead, they assess your skills based on your experience and the quality of your work on initial projects. Once your account is approved, you can browse available projects and choose the ones that align with your skills and interests. Amberscript.com platform provides all the tools and resources you need to succeed, including style guides and glossaries. Section 8. Payment Methods. Amberscript.com. Amberscript.com values your time and effort and offers competitive rates for your work. They understand the importance of timely payments and provide two secure and reliable payment methods: PayPal and Payoneer. Payments are typically processed on a monthly basis, ensuring a consistent income stream. You can easily track your earnings and payment history through your amberscript.com account dashboard, giving you complete control over your finances. Amberscript.com believes in fair compensation and strives to offer rates that reflect the value you bring to their platform. They also provide opportunities for growth and advancement, allowing you to increase your earning potential over time. Section 9. Comparing transcriptionstaff.com and amberscript.com. Both transcriptionstaff.com and amberscript.com offer excellent opportunities for aspiring and experienced transcriptionists. However, they cater to slightly different needs and preferences. Transcriptionstaff.com is an ideal platform for those who prefer a more traditional transcription experience, working directly with audio and video files from start to finish. Their diverse range of projects and competitive rates make them an attractive option for freelancers seeking variety and stability. On the other hand, amberscript.com appeals to those who embrace technology and appreciate the efficiency of AI-powered transcription. Their multilingual support, subtitling services, and audio and video editing capabilities provide opportunities to expand your skill set and explore different avenues within the transcription field. Section 10. Tips for success as a transcriptionist. Whether you choose transcriptionstaff.com, amberscript.com, or another platform, here are some valuable tips to thrive as a transcriptionist. 1. Invest in quality headphones. Clear audio is crucial for accurate transcription. Invest in a good pair of headphones that block out external noise and provide crisp sound. 2. Master typing skills. Transcription requires speed and accuracy. Practice your typing skills regularly to improve your efficiency and reduce errors. 3. Proofread meticulously. Accuracy is paramount in transcription. Double-check your work for any typos, grammatical errors, or inconsistencies before submitting. 4. Manage your time effectively. Freelancing offers flexibility, but it also demands good time management. Set realistic deadlines and avoid taking on more work than you can handle. 5. Continuously learn and improve. The transcription field is constantly evolving. Stay updated on industry trends, software, and best practices to enhance your skills and remain competitive. Section 11. Embrace the transcription journey. Embarking on a transcription career can be an exciting and rewarding experience. It offers the flexibility to work from anywhere, set your own hours, and be your own boss. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to earn extra income or a full-time career change, the world of transcription welcomes you with open arms. Remember that success in transcription, like any other field, requires dedication, hard work, and a commitment to delivering high-quality work. By continuously learning, improving your skills, and providing exceptional service to clients, you can build a successful and fulfilling career as a transcriptionist. So, take the leap, explore the opportunities offered by platforms like transcriptionstaff.com and amberscript.com, and embrace the exciting world of transcription.